How to buy Bluegirlriri on Sol token. So this token came under the symbol of Riri. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the notes description. So before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. It created 13 hours ago and increased by 8,000% in less than 24 hours. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select provider, for example, OKX, and make sure that you read all of that information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect you to OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or customize, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy daily token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.